All right, guys, so welcome to another edition of the AT Live tutorial series. This tutorial is going to be a simple one, very basic. We are just going to focus on how you can just produce a descriptive analysis from your responses from Google Forms. What I'm trying to say is that so you download your responses. What we have over here, this one was generated from Google Forms. We extracted the responses in the form of Excel from the Google Forms, and you will see, or you could see the timestamp that we have over here. We have the gender, we have the age and the education, and so forth. So assuming you want to know the number of males, you want to know the number of females that we have over here, you can use the generative AI tools like ChatGPT to claim your data. So we just want to put this in a frequency table, descriptive analysis, very simple, basic one, after which you can perform several or advanced analysis on your data. So my guys, let's start. Very simple, okay? So the first thing to do is to upload your responses over here. That is your generative AI tool, ChatGPT. So we just click over here, add photos and files. So we are just going to upload our responses. Okay, so upload it. Now the next thing is to prompt this so that we can extract the descriptive analysis. So we are saying that study the above it was a questionnaire, so study the above questionnaire, so you can say responses and generate a descriptive. So you can say questionnaire responses and generate a descriptive analysis in a table form. Now we don't want ChatGPT to go overboard. Actually, when we were extracting our Excel sheet or our responses, we got to know the number of response. So from this, it was 80. So I want ChatGPT to go straight to the point. So I'm going to say that the total of the frequency column, the total of the frequency column should be equal to 80. Yeah, because I saw that the response over there was 80 when I was extracting the responses. Now let me further, let me add something to this by saying let it be exactly 80, of which you will derive the percentage out of it. Okay, so study the above questionnaires or responses and generate a descriptive analysis in a table form. The total of the frequency column should be equal to 80. Let it be exactly 80, of which you will derive the percentage out of it. Yeah, so we have response, that is we have the heading, the response, the frequency, we have the percentage wise of that. So let's push this. Okay, so we have this. Okay, so it is giving us something like this. Let's wait. Okay. So sometimes your first prompt is going to give you direct Excel sheet. So let's see how this one goes as we await. Giving ourselves some feel. Oh, okay, so all right, so we can see that generate your response generate your descriptive analysis in an Excel sheet or dot. Yeah, let's see in an Excel sheet. Let's see that one. So, all right. So we have our Excel sheet. So let's click on that. Okay, so downloads. Wait, okay, done. So let's see what we have in there. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. So let's wait. Okay, so I'm going to show you something over here. Okay, so let's see this. Okay, so this is what we have. This is what we have. This is what we have. So you can see that now we want, this is the actual question, maintain work-life balance, and we have the response, strongly agree, frequency. So what we are going to say is that we want the question to replace the response, okay? So the response section should replace the question. Then we are also going to say that start from the gender, that is the demographic, and at the same time we need a total and that of what we need a frequency total and a percentage total. Okay, all right, so let's look at this closely. We need the question should regenerate so that the response section, so you are going to see regenerate so that the response the response the response the response heading in the table should be replaced with the question. Should be replaced with a question. Moreover, the table should have a total should have a total should have a total frequency, and at the same time that of the percentage column, COLO. Okay, so we are saying that the table should have a total frequency and at the same time that of the percentage column. In addition, you are to start from the demographic. All right, so let's regenerate. Let's see what we have. Export field because of some question text containing characters not allowed in Excel. Like, okay, I will regenerate the Excel. Okay, so let's see. All right, so let's click on this. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so We have a different Excel sheet. Okay, so fantastic. So we have a new one here. So that's what you see. So you like the gender, frequency, what is your age group? That's what we have over here. Then your highest level of education, how long, maintaining work-life balance. So, okay, so you can just format this. You change the font type, the font size, and what we have over here. That is the total. You can hold whatever you have over here. So this is just pretty cool. Descriptive what analysis using what generative AI tools like what ChatGPT. So we can do a lot with what we have. Um, our responses when extracted from Google Forms. Exactly, yeah. So we can just use ChatGPT to clean our data. That's all. Okay, all right, guys. Thanks for watching this video and remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Have a nice day. Bye.